Inspired to DIY. In today's video, I'll be sharing 2 home decor projects. Stay tuned for the end result and let's get into it. For the first project, we'll be using this candle holder and this large silver bowl. I'll go ahead and spray paint the candle holder gold and the large bowl will be spray paint black. Once the 2 pieces are dry, we'll go ahead and glue them together using some fixable adhesive and also some hot glue. If you're here for the first time, it is so good to have you here. Don't forget to hit on that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my next videos. And this concludes this project. The 2 pieces put together, the gold and the black, complement each other so well, and this makes a really bold statement in the house as a home decor. You can also use it as a centerpiece for your coffee table or even your dining table, or a matter of fact, you can also use it as a food holder. But mine, I put some pine cones and some ornaments and it turned out so stunning. For the second project, we'll need 2 of the candle holders, 2 smaller bowls, and we'll go ahead and paint the bowls in black, and the candle holders will once again be in gold. Once the 2 pieces were dry, I'll go ahead and glue them using some fixable adhesive and also some hot glue. As I let the glue set, I'll go ahead and take those large candles from Dollar Tree. They are non-scented, just pure white, and I will be using 4 of them with some waxes, vanilla, apple, and mandarin, and I'll go ahead and put all those together and melt them. Once my candles were all melted, I went and grabbed on the wick and just glue it on the bottom of my bowl. I repeated that same stuff for both of the bowls as they will be my new candle holder. As the wicks were placed, I'll go ahead and put in my candle, and I will go ahead and mix the mandarin with the apple so it can have a really beautiful scent, and I will allow them to dry. Once my new candle were all dry, I went on and just cut the excess wick. glamorize my candle holder a little, I'll be using this gold beaded necklaces, and I'll cut it into pieces and just glue all around the border of the candle holders. I repeated that same step for the second one, and later on I will also add some beads where the black and the gold meet. And this finalized our candles. I really love how it turned out. The black and the gold really complement each other, and this will make a really bold statement in your home. I really love it. And also, if you notice, it matches the previous project we did. So the black and the gold, it is so beautiful, and I cannot wait to decorate my home with it. I hope you guys did enjoy this project. If so, go ahead, give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my next videos. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.